in the butterfly garden since we've trimmed it, and notice that all of the parsley and the oregano is starting to bloom and attracting bugs. We've got the butterfly weed that's starting to bloom, and we have some rudbeckia that's coming back and getting ready to bloom. We're going to add our annuals to all of this. This year we'll be adding some white and purple petunias to attract butterflies and bees. As always, we're going to be putting zinnias in because this is a nice flat surface that butterflies like to land on and get nectar. We also have lantana like we did last year. Butterflies love lantana. And we have some smaller zinnias that are of kind of an orangey red color that we'll use to fill in. And we will also be putting our sand and water back in for where the butterflies can come get a drink. All right, we've finished planting all the annuals to attract the butterflies and the bees. And when these herbs get finished blooming, we'll trim them back.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.